Hi ladies. So I'm in the middle of doing my morning skincare routine. I use this product morning and night. It's a newer product to the line, and I just want to introduce you to it and share more information with you because if you struggle with rosacea, itchy skin, dry skin, patchy skin, sensitive skin, redness, this could be your lifesaver. This is the new Clinical Solutions 113 Barrier Lotion, and it comes in a pump. Let me show you how it looks. It has a pump like this, and you just apply it wherever your whole face, on your whole face. It feels like, oh, it feels so good. It feels like a satin pillowcase being put on your face. If any of you sleep with silk pillowcases, this is like wearing your silk pillowcase all day because it protects your skin. It will actually start reinforcing your skin barrier by 43% in just 3 hours. And it reduces redness in 2 weeks. So if you struggle with any of that, this is such a great product. It's also great for hydration, for dryness. This time of year, you might just feel like you need a little extra something and just heals your skin barrier. If you have a skin condition or you have skin challenges like sensitive skin, I have rosacea. You can see some of it popping through right there. Basically, that's a skin barrier issue. So this helps heal the root cause, the skin barrier, and I have found it to be really helping my skin. You apply it the step right before your moisturizer. So I already did my skincare, and I just put this on, and my next step will be my moisturizer. That's how easy it is to use. So if you find yourself struggling with any of those issues, send me a DM. This might be a perfect solution for you to add into your routine. So now I'm just applying my moisturizer over the skin barrier lotion. This is the last step I do, and it feels so good. The skin barrier lotion is just so silky, so soft. The best way to describe it is wearing your silk pillowcase for 24 hours. You know, you sleep on a silk pillowcase to help with bedhead, help with aging, help with lines, with making your skin not look more wrinkly and smoother, and helps hold hydration. This is like wearing that all day on your face. So when it comes to challenging skin, I understand how frustrating it is because I have challenging skin. It happened to me when I turned 40 and I'm now 47. So I feel like I'm an expert with sensitive skin at this point. If I can help you find a solution to your skin sensitivity, I would love to help you. I know how challenging it can be and how frustrating it can be. We have enough issues. We don't need skin issues on top of it.